Welcome to SoundMist Official, and this is going to be a very short unboxing of this product called Audio Selector. This product has 4 input and 1 output. 4 input means you can connect to your mobile, TV, music system or any other system as an input. And the same thing can be given to a surround sound speaker or a normal speaker. It depends on that. If you want to check for the surround sound, there is a link in the description. You can check for the surround sound. But this is a switch which is having, you can see that, 4 input knobs where you can select whichever the input mode is, mobile, TV or any other system, what you are connecting it. And there is 1 output which is a stereo output which can go to your music system, normal stereo music system. So this is a very good box and it is working quite well. As an Amazon associate, we'll be earning a qualifying purchase if you buy this product from Amazon. The link is in the description. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe